Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we are going to take a second approach to the cross system, taking it, in this case, from a backward ocho.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to work.
On the last video, remember we were working about
Basic step.
but doing the cross system, parallel system, and cross system. Now, how to apply the cross system, and we choose this figure to show you that. Side step, cross system for the lead of the ochos, cross system to go to the basic and resolution to finish the figure.
Yes. So this is a very nice, naturally, since during backward ochos, also with forward ochos work the same way. Naturally, since we are changing in the basic step, remember that we were walking and that was a cross system. In this case, it's exactly the same. We use the same leg, but in a different direction. That already is a cross system. Yes. 1 and 2. Now, if we don't change anything, we'll continue to be in cross system. Lifting, we continue to be in cross system if we don't change body weight at all. Walk, walk, cruzada, and then now we come back to parallel system. So, why I'm saying if we don't change anything, we continue, because one of the most common cases is that we enter in cross system. In order to be in parallel system, we have to change something. In this case, will be this. Tack to walk. Now, this is parallel system. We are both with the same leg, but we need to change for that. In this case, we are not changing that and walking in cross system to a resolution to finish the step.
For the follower, is no change of the legs or body weight. We are not changing body weight. We pivot. We have the ocho. Pivot. We have the ocho. Pivot. We feel the differences on the direction. Now he aligns and we go into the walk. Because he's walking on my right side, I'm going to the cruzada and resolution on the same situation like before. But be sure not to rush. Let me rotate so they can see that. Not to rush in this moment. So we have cross system, ochos, ochos. Now, if I'm rushing, not waiting for the leader, if I do this by myself and walk, I'm anticipating the move. He have to go from this position, lift, and then you will feel his leg giving you the direction, in this case in cross system, to know when is my space to step here and not to cross on top of him or to step away from him. So weight and feet together. When you see his leg, then we walk straight back to the cross, and the same here for the resolution. Very important moment, because we are coming from the back ocho. If we rush, if we anticipate this moment, we are kind of back leading the leader.
Yes, and one quick tip, if you are having your first lessons and you are learning this, make sure after you did this, let me do it 1 and ocho. Now you know that we are in cross system. This is for the follower and for both actually. We both need a little bit of a space. Did you notice that we have a little bit of a space for her to cross? If we continue, look, she has all the space to get to cruzada. That being said, for the leader, do not step in the same line because she gets trapped. And followers, if you see his foot there, also when you take your back step here, don't do it there. It's very common. Don't do it there. Keep in line. We are both in charge of that in order to get into the cruzada and then, of course, into a resolution. Pam, pam, pam.